Juicy Fruit, not a sponsor. What's up guys, TechSpot here. iOS 18.1 was officially released to the public. Officially. And with it comes Apple Intelligence. Let's dive in real quick and let me show you around. Now if my peas are popping, that's because I still have yet to get a pop filter. But don't worry, I've ordered quite an expensive one. Just bear with me until it gets here. Alright guys, so I am so excited. I did download and install iOS 18.1 on this device over here. By the way, no need new wallpapers, but the wallpapers do take forever to load. Anyways, I'm gonna go to General, tap on Software Update, and you will see the update right here. What's funny is that in the notes for iOS 18.1 about what's new, it does not mention anything about Apple Intelligence, and that's the biggest feature that's coming to this. But anyways, if you go scroll down in the settings, you guys will find a new option called Apple Intelligence, and it's basically combines those two. So if we go and tap on this, there is Apple Intelligence. Turn my brightness down so you guys can see better. Anyways, once you are over here, the first time it will say join waitlist. So there is a waitlist to join Apple Intelligence. But for me, overnight, I was able to basically get Apple Intelligence. But for some people, I have been reading comments and it has been taking longer. But anyways, there it is, Apple Intelligence, a personal intelligence system integrated deeply into your iPhone apps and Siri. Guys, this is huge. You can see I can enable Apple Intelligence right there. Time to experience the next generation of intelligence. Now integrated into the core of iOS, bringing you a powerful and professional intelligence. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and enable this, and Siri is finally going to be useful again. But anyways, when you first go ahead and tap on Apple Intelligence, it'll bring up this splash screen. Time to experience a new personal intelligence system, new ways to express yourself, enhance your writing, and express yourself in more ways than ever. The start of a new era for Siri. Siri is now natural, contextually relevant, and prepared for you. Built for privacy, powerful intelligence without sharing your data with Apple. You say continue, and then you're basically good to go. All right, so the moment of truth. I'm gonna basically activate Siri, and look at that, we got the new animation. How? What's the weather like tomorrow? I mean, Thursday. And look at that, bro. Look at that. I understood that, did not want to do it tomorrow. And so, yeah, it's so much more useful. And what's also cool is at the bottom over here, if you go and double tap, you could bring up the keyboard for Apple Intelligence and ask Siri this way. And yeah, with the emojis, we don't have the custom emojis they can make. The custom emojis, like if I type in dinosaur holding a taco or anything like that, that's going to be coming in iOS 18.2. But yeah, that's going to be a really cool feature that I'm super excited for. What can I do with Apple Intelligence? Oh god, this is so cool. You can even ask any question about iOS, so this will be super handy for me or any other tech person that gets asked so many questions in their family. For example, how do I take a screenshot? Look at that. I stuttered so much, but it still brings us up. To take a screenshot quickly? Okay, that is so cool. It actually is useful. So Apple Intelligence is basically AI built into Siri, and it also works across all your apps. I wonder if it can open apps. Open the camera app. Oh my god, yeah, it works! Now, on top of that, Apple Intelligence also brings notification summaries. So basically, summarize notifications. For example, if you have a bunch of notifications from Robinhood, it'll basically summarize those all and say, okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin went up 30%. Yeah, hopefully. It also works for messages too. So it'll basically compile what's important in your messages, like a reminder or important flight details, and basically put those at the top of your summaries so you can quickly read it. And messages also has smart replies, so you can quickly respond to people without having to dwiddle your fingers too much. Dwiddle. Is dwiddle a word? I dwiddle, you dwiddle, we all dwiddle. Yo, let me try this. Search for Geekbench in the App Store. Ah, dang it doesn't do that. Now, what's also really weird in this update is you could go ahead and delete the App Store. I don't know why Apple did this, but I could also go ahead and remove the App Store. I'm not going to do it because I'm too scared to, I can try to get it back yet. I could do that also for the Messages app. I can remove the app, and I think this is basically to make room for third-party apps for the EU. I mean, look at this. I could even delete the Photos app. Like, I don't know why you would do this, but hey. All right, now what's also really cool about in this update with Apple Intelligence is that there's now call recording built into iOS. Yo, what it do? You're on video. So I just wanted to show the call recording feature. So anyways, there it is, guys. And you guys can see it's a new icon. Going to tap right there and call recording. Use iPhone to record a call published into the Notes app, so you can have a full transcript. So I'm going to continue, and now it is recording. And
call will be recorded.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I did hear that.
No way. Okay, so you guys can see it's just taking notes in this call, and now the call is actually recording. And boom.
No longer being recorded.
That is crazy. Let's go and open this up. This is what's new in the Notes app. So you got audio transcript, call transcript, math and notes, highlight, and collapse text. So let's say continue. And you can see there's a full call recording right there. So I go and play it.
Did you hear that? Yes, I did hear that.
No way. Okay, so
Yeah.
Yo, that is crazy. It's built in. I know many people were asking me how to record calls on an iPhone, and that's how now. Just update to iOS 18.1. But yeah, that's basically a first look at Apple Intelligence. I'm really looking forward to the emojis, the custom emojis they're going to be able to make in iOS 18.2. I thought it was coming in 18.1, but I guess not. Guys, let me know what you think about Apple Intelligence down below in the comments. This is TechSpot, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Say you love it when you're hating, and I can see it on your face. And no, I just can't take it. No, I just can't take it. You don't need to complicate it. Say you love it when you're hating, and I can see it on your face. And no, I just can't take it. No, I just can't take it.